Okay, so let's do the remaining part. Actually, today we have to finish the game. I'm trying my level best to give this and finish it today. So you have to create actually this. When it hits an obstacle like this, the game should stop. So that is our aim today. And actually, before doing that, I would like to know the status of the game. So I'll let one of you share the screen. Okay, so I'll give this chance to, let's say, who's in the line. Okay, Sophia, can you share the screen quickly? I just want to see how you have done. Quickly do this, right? Don't take much time because you are taking the time of others also. Therefore, quickly share it. Sophia, can you share? Okay. Yeah. So up to which extent we have done this? Right. Okay. Thank you, Manudha, for sharing the file. I'll download that as well. And this is what we have come up with last day. When space key press, move 10 steps. So you have actually, have you added by thinking? Make a hitala that kare Sophia? When space key move 10 steps?
I look mute.
Okay. Right. Okay. When you press the up arrow, you glide, change x by -10 glide. Okay. So this code has more things, right? Okay. Can you show me the view? So what's happening? Okay. It's going here and there. No. So unlike we will just do the jumping part first, right? Okay. So I'll do this. Please, can you provide me the remote control facility? Then I can also help you. Right. So this is okay. When up arrow is pressed, okay, give me a second. Okay, when up arrow pressed, so this is easy, right? No need to write that much of code, Sophia. So what you can do is, let's keep the cat in here. So if anyone absent last day, please let me know, then I can help you, right? Keep cat here, and I'm going to keep the cat in the grass, on top of the grass, right? So then note this. So this is very important. Always note these values. Here, can you see the x value? X value is -212. Y value is -109. So that is very important. That is where the cat is. But actually speaking, I found this little difficult to play, Sophia. The reason is, so you have small amount of time to jump. This game initial level is very hard. Why? You have only small gap between the cat and obstacle. So when you have very small gap between the cat and obstacle, then this object is moving, right? Then make a one karna kotama move will happen. The cat will go and hit on this, and it's very difficult to play the game. So let's edit this. Can you go to this one, sprite 2, please? Go to the sprite 2. Others also, if you have these mistakes, please correct. Then go to the costume and let's edit it. Then go to the costume and you can use the arrow key and move this, yes, obstacle little here. Okay. You have hidden obstacle also. Delete that, right? These things you can select and delete. Select and delete. Here. Delete button. Use the delete button above. Okay. Okay, now you have, I think, a reasonable time. Let's drag further, little more. And this one also, you can drag a little. Yes, Ronald, I saw that. So I think you have shared that last day, the car game that you have made. I think you have shared that. Have you developed this further? Right, okay, I'll give you a chance to share, right? Okay, if you have not done that, please do this. Please try to do this with me. Okay, now you can, now obstacles are in a reasonable distance. Now we can go to the code back. You can go to the code back. Please go to the code. Okay, done. Now go to the cat. Actually, cat, we need to jump. Jumping is simple, right? So no need to write that much of bigger code for jump because it's very simple. So please remove everything here. Can you remove everything? And this one also, this is also not needed, right? Because we can do this just by doing glide and drag this 3 times. Others also do the same. Hari කවුරුරි කරලා නැත්නම් මේ විදිහටම කරන්න. 3 පාරක් එක drag කරන්න. Drag it 3 times. Okay, the first 0.2 seconds. First 0.2 seconds. I'm going to jump up. So I'm going to make this y here means 160, 150, okay, 150 for y, 150, 150. Okay, next 1 second, actually next let's say, okay, next 1 second, it's okay. I'm going to be in the same position, 150. Or you change it to like 145, 145. Okay. The last 1 second, you are going to come to the earth. That is this value, minus 109. Okay. Now, can you press the up arrow and see? Press the up arrow in the keyboard. You can press the up arrow in the keyboard. Keyboard ke up arrow press karana. Okay, it's going to come down. Again, when you click, press the up arrow again. Okay, slowly come down. Okay, that's enough. Now let's move the background. No need to move the cat. Let's move the background. So that is what we are going to write. I think we did that last day, but I think you missed the session, seems. Okay, go to the events. When you click the flag, go to the control. Go to the control. Forever. You need to do this forever. Okay. And I need to move back. Go to the motion.
Move -2
Yes.
steps.
Move -2 steps. Move -2 steps. -2. Rino dekak. Just edit it. Put -2 over there. Starting position. So very important to give the starting position. Go to x0, y0. That is the starting position. You can just take go to x0, y0 and put it in the middle. Yes, correct. Everyone should do the same. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Abhinu.
Can you tell me what I doing now? I don't understand what I can't. I don't understand what I doing now, sir.
So I'm just moving the background backwards. Okay. Cat is jumping in the same location. Here it's jumping up and down. That you understood, Abhin?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's jumping up and down. But actually, so actual case, you have to move the cat forward. ඇත්තටම කරන්න ඕන cat එක ඉස්සරහටනේ අරන් යන්න ඕන. හැබැයි ඒකම කරන්න පුළුවන් නේද? We can do the same by moving the background backwards. Understood? දැන් ඕගොල්ලෝ වාහනයක ඉස්සරහ, if you think that you are moving using a vehicle, වාහනයක යනවා ඉස්සරහට. එතකොට වටේ පිටේ building මොකද වෙන්නේ? You can see that it's going backwards, right? But it's not actually going backwards, but it's, so you are moving forward. So the same thing you can you can do by moving the yes, play. Oh, you can see now. Can you see that cat is not moving forward? But since background is moving backwards, you can see, again click the flag, Puti. Then he can observe what's happening, right? You can see cat is not moving, but background is moving. So you can see here, you can see, right? That is the thing. But here when it goes, Abhinav, did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But the only thing is when it moves to the corner, you can see it's observe this value minus 460. It's stopping. We have to redo this. To do that, again, go to the control. Go to the control and take if and put it underneath of this move. Okay. Then go to the operations and take less than 1. This is less than. And all, no, don't put that. Less than what? If less than what? So please note this value 460, minus 460. Minus 460 is the last value. So we have to give one less than last value. That means minus 459. Minus 450 here. Please, no. The other cell. Please put minus 459. Edit 50 and put minus 459. These are mathematical, right? Because the last will be minus 460. When it is minus 460, it will stop. But we have to take one step before that. ඊට කලින් අපි තීරණයක් ගන්නවා. ඒ කියන්නේ 460 වුණොත් නවතිනවා. 460 වෙනකොට දැන් ඔයාලගේ එකේ වෙනස් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. හරි? ඔයාලගේ එකේ මේක වෙනස් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඔයාලගේ එකේ 467 වෙන්න පුළුවන්. 465 වෙන්න පුළුවන්. කොහොම වුණත් එහෙම වුණොත් නවතිනවා. ඊට කලින් අපි වැඩක් කරන්න ඕන. ඊට එකකට කලින් කරා නම් හරි. ඒ හින්දා තමයි 459 දැන්. 459 මොකද්ද? Go to the motion. And from that, please scroll down. පොඩ්ඩක් scroll කරන්න පල්ලෙහා. උතන exposition එක ගත්තා නම් හරි. මොකද මේ x නේ අපි ගන්න ඕන. That you can refer. Just move down further. තව චුට්ටක්. You can see exposition. If exposition is less than 4, then only you are taking the decision. Now you can drag the decision here. කලින්ම drag කරත් කමක් නැහැ. ඉතින් දැන් ඔක complete නේ. ඒ මැද්දෙන් drag කරොත් නම් කැලි ගැලවිලා ඉන්නේ. Okay. තව චුට්ටක් right side එකට අරන් යන්න. Just move to the right side a little. Further. තව පොඩ්ඩක්. No. So it's not going, no need to put to the center. Put to the right side. Then the beginning end you have to align. Right. Okay. Drop it. Right. Good. Right. If it is less than this, then you have to reset. Actually, how to reset? You can set the x. Actually, x is the one changing. Set x to 0 again. 0 again. Because you started with 0. Yes, 0. Put 0 over there. You started with 0. You have to reset that. Now click the flag here. Click the flag and see. Okay, it's going back. Okay. Right. It's again starting from the beginning. Okay. Time is not enough to hold, right? That you can change. ඒක ඔයාලගේ code එක අනුව change කරන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, it's not enough. You can see it's not enough because it is too high. So it's too high. It's very difficult to jump. So that you can change, right? You can go to the code and you can hold for cat code. Go to the straight one score. Straight one cat. And you can just hold for 1.2 seconds. 1.5 just hold for 1.5 seconds. 1.5. 1.5. 1.5. Okay, now you can be in the sky for some more time. Now play. So this is everything is mathematical, right? So that is why you are developing your mathematics skill with gaming. Maybe you are not playing games, but it is good to develop games. Game play kare නැති උනත් කමන්නේ develop කරන්න games. Because it's developing your mathematical skills. Now you can see. So you have fallen into the same. Okay. Let's change this. Now I need the background for this area also, empty area. So I'm going to right click here and duplicate. Right click here and duplicate. No, not that. Don't change it. Changing that is not necessary because everything here is in the code. So you don't want to visually change anything in the stream. Okay, click on stride 2. Stride 2 එක click කරන්න. Visually change කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. Code එකෙන් තමයි වෙනස් වෙන්නේ. Then duplicate කරන්න. Right click and duplicate. Right click on stride 2 but duplicate. Okay, now you have to change values. Here put 180. Sorry, 480. 480ක් දාන්න එතන. 480. Here put 0. These are the changes, right? Oh, don't change it. Just double click and edit it. 0. And here again 480. 480 කියන්නේ මේකේ මෙතනින් ඉඳන් මෙතනට දුර. The distance is 480. ඒ හින්දා තමයි ඒ කියන්නේ පළවෙනි background එක එනකොට 480ක් දුරින් තව එකක් තියෙනවා. So now you can see it's a complete project. See, plate, yeah. Click the flag and you can jump. So over, again jump, so over. And again you can see the next background is coming and you can jump over there. And next background is coming. It's never ending. So everything is going to come one after another. It's never ending style. Okay, so that's it. So this is our project. Okay, you can save the project if you want. I'll tell you two things. Those who have done, right? You can save the project by going to the file, save to your computer, that is one thing, and it will be saved, right? So now, right, you can see that. No need to open the file. So now I'll send you another link. And then thawa link එකක් එවනවා. So this will be interesting, right? So you can just keep it without, and this is the link. Wait. Keep the stream. Don't stop sharing. Keep the stream. Here I'm sending another link. All of you can. No, keep the stream. Don't close the sharing. Stream එක තියාගන්න පුතේ. Right. This one, දැන් මොනම link එකක් එවුවා. හම්බුණාද කට්ටියට?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No. No, sir. I didn't got it. Can you send it again?
Yeah, again in the chat. Chat එකේ තියෙන.
Yes, sir. That
Right.
HTML.
Yeah, that's one. That one can be used to convert your project to web page. Okay, let's see how to do that. Okay, I'll use the Sophia's screen again. Can you see there's something called choose file, Sophia? මෙතන තියෙනවා choose file කියලා. Click on that. Yes. And you can select your stretch file. This is the file, I think, the downloaded one. Stretch file එක select කරලා just open it. Right, now move down පල්ලහැට මෙයන්. And you can see further. Right here, this one. No, further down. තව චුට්ටක් පල්ලහැට. Then චුට්ටක් උඩට යන්න. තව චුට්ටක් උඩට. Little up. Further up. Further. Can you see a button called HTML5? No. පල්ලහැට මෙයන්නකෝ. Go to the bottom of the screen. It's not there. චුට්ටක් ආවුඩට යන්න. බටන් එකක් ඇති HTML5 කියලා. ඒක පේනකන් යන්න. මැද්දට වගේ යන්න. තව පොඩ්ඩක්. තව. Further up. All right. Here. Miss it. තව චුට්ටක් පල්ලහැට.
Sir, make a screen.
All right. You can see this button HTML5. Just click it. When you click that, another file will be downloaded. Now you can open the file and you can see that as a web page. Right? Your game is there now as a web page. It's like a website. So no need to use Scratch. Without using Scratch, you can play this game. Even in your mobile, you can download this to your mobile and play it if you want.
HTML5.
Yeah, HTML5. So that is one extra thing, right? So you can, after creating this game, you can download as a HTML file. HTML file advantage is you can play in your mobile, you can play in a laptop, you can play in a tab, you can play it anywhere. Okay, now you can see, right? Let's go back to the stretch screen, Pute. Stretch iron. Just go back to the stretch screen. Okay, now I'm going to write very important code. This code actually is very, very important. Why? Because Tenura, yes. Right, I was helping one of you, so I selected and helping one of you because then others can also learn in the particular speed. That's right. Right? You need my screen.
No,
Okay. Right. Because I just want to match with the other speed. That's why I'm selecting you, because my speed is little higher than the average speed. So I have selected a slow or average person. So then all others can do in that speed, right? That's why. Okay, go to the cat. Please go to the cat again. Okay, now we are going to code for cat. Then we cat code එක ලියන්න යන්නේ. අර obstacle එකේ වැදුනම, ඒ කියන්නේ මේ කණුවේ වැදුනම game over වෙන්න. That's serious thing. Okay, go to the events. හැමෝම කරන්න. Please go to the events. Get this flag clicked. And now go to the control. ඔයාලට මොකක් හරි කෝඩ් එකක් මිස් වුණා නම් කලර් එක බලන්න. ඒ කලර් එකට අදාළ එකේ තමයි මේ කෝඩ් එක තියෙන්නේ. හරි? Okay, now get forever. Forever. Now get if also. Inside forever, please put if also. Right. Now go to the sensing. I'm going to check sense. Sense what? Touching the color. This one I'm going to drag and keep it over there. But the color is not, okay, the color is not pink, right? You have to click on the color. Yes, click on the color, select the color by, no, don't change, no need, because you have this one. You can click there and click on this green. Just click on the green. Yeah, then click some other place. Right now color is picked, so this is a color picker. Okay, now what you have to do, go to the control again, and so little down, and you can see stop all. If you touch or if you hit the color, you have to stop the game. Okay, now we can start playing. If you hit the color, oh, safe. Then not a safe. But if you hit the color, game over. Right? So that is the nature. If you hit the color, then game over. Right. Why cat is flying? Because we have not given the starting position for cat. Okay, let's give starting position for cat as well. We had a starting position. So go to the motion. And you can give go X and Y. Yes, from that, no, keep it here above. Flag click. Okay, now you can just say minus, this is okay. The starting position is -109 for Y. -109. Otherwise, cat will start with the like as an airplane. -109. That is the starting position. Again, me api වැටෙන තැන උඩ පැනලා වැටෙන්නේ 109 වලටනේ. එතනම තමයි cat ඉන්න ඕන. හරි, දැන් start කරන්න. Now the starting position will be okay. Right. Okay, timing problem. Right. Jump before it hits the obstacle. If obstacles are too high, the game will be difficult. You have to be careful. Jump on time. and actually keep scoring. Okay, let's add the scoring part also. But first of all, so please copy this one. If anyone need help, then I can give help in this stage. You can share the screen, then I'll help you to fix that. Okay, this is what we have done. Yeah, sure. You can share. You can share it. Then I'll help. I can help at least 4 or 5. But do it once, right? Okay. 4 hours. Let's give the starting position for cat. Cat code. Starting position for cat. Go to the motion. And yes, go to 212. This one, please drag it. That is the starting position for cat. Okay. Flag. Okay. Okay, keep it over there. Right. So now the background problems. Background, I think others okay, right? Jumping is okay, right? Can you jump?
Yes.
Can it jump? Can you press the up arrow? Press the up arrow. So what's that jump instead? Oh, it's only jumping. Oh, that y should be positive, Pute. The y should be 150. Should go here. 150.
Now it's okay, sir.
But this holding, this also need to be changed, like 145. That is plus 104, no, not minus. Should be plus 145. But the background is not moving, right? Properly. I think the background has a problem. Can you go to the background and see? So let's see what's going on in the background, Satik. Okay, here it is. So if it is here, this should be, can you press this button? Just want to me. Can you press? It's moving other side. It should be -2, right? Otherwise, background moving forward, cat is going reverse. You have a problem with pluses and minuses, I think. -2. Okay, now click the flag and you can see it's moving, moving. And what is the last value? I just want to see the last value, right? Let it move. You have to move in and then stop. Let it move. I just want to see the last value. That's why.
Sir, it is stop.
I'm stopping because I think the problem is like you have not written this greater than 0. It should be less than. Remove this one. This is not required. Can you give me the mouse control? Then it's easy to me.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So here you have to remove this part. This is not needed. So why it's not moving? Okay. Should be other way. Should be less than. Less than means this one. If it is
සර් මට චුට්ටක් උදව් කරනවද?
හරි වේනිත චුට්ටක් ඉන්න ඉවර කරනකම් එකක් ඉවර කරලා උදව් කරන්න. අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම එක්කෙනෙකුට හෙල්ප් කරලා ඉන්න බෑ. පොඩ්ඩක් පුතේ මට පේන්නේ නැහැ වගේ ස්ක්‍රීන් එකේ මෙයා වෙන විදිය මේ එක ස්ලෝ ගොඩක්. මේ ඔයාලට මේක මූව් කරන්න පුළුවන්ද මෙතනට? හරි. දැන් අතන මයිනස් එක ගන්නකො. So I think it's moving here and there. Why is that? Move -2 steps කියන එකට යන්න. right. ඒක එතන දාලා. ඒ move -2 steps යටට දානවා if එක. ඒක ඇතුළට නෙමෙයි. ඒක තිබ්බ තැන හරි. අර if එක දාන්න ඕන ඕකේ යටට ඔයා බලන් හිටියේ නැද්ද? මම හැම වෙලේම කියනවා the basic problem of you all, you are not watching. Especially when others are doing, you are not watching. So that is the main reason for not. You have 2 eyes, 1 ear, 2 ears. So listen and watch. So if it is less than 165, here it should be 165. 465 minus 465. So how I have taken මම අර highlight කළාම පෙන්නවා මේක. දැක්කද? ඔයාලට ඒක මතක නැහැ. මම highlight කළාම පෙන්නවා this is the last value. One before last value you have to take a decision. So then go to the motion, and from motion වේනිත වත් මේක follow කරන්න වේනිත බලන්න දැන් ඔයාට වෙනම help කරනකම් ඉන්න එපා. ඊට කලින් කරන්න පුළුවන් නම් කරන්න. That is what we expect. එහෙම නැත්තම් පන්ති 20 දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවනම් 20 දෙනාට වෙන වෙනම පන්ති කරනවා මම එකට කරන්නේ නැතුව. නේද? එතකොට මම මේ කියන අඩුපාඩු ඔයාගේ කෝඩ් එකේ තියෙන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ. එතකොට ඔයා මේක හදාගත්තොත් මට මාර ලේසි ඔයාට කියලා දෙන්න ගියා. මොකද එතකොට ඔයා එක පාර්ට් එකක් හදාගෙන ඉවරයි. නේද? එහෙම කරමු අපි ඈ. දැන් මේක දිහා නොබලා ඉන්න එපා. මේ එර එකම තව 18 දෙනෙක්ගේ තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඇයි ඔයාලා මේක කරන වෙලාවෙ මේක කනෙක්ට් කරගන්නේ නැත්නම් ඔයාලා හිතන්න එපා දැන් උදව් කරන්න අරයටනේ මං ඒක ඉවරුණා මං අහගන්න කියලා හිතන්න එපා. So that is most of the people are thinking like that. Most of the students are thinking like that. After finishing Satika's thing I'll ask. Then I have to again tell from the beginning. අපරාධ. හරි. ඒ හින්දා මේ එර එක තියෙනවා නම් ඔයාගේ හදා ගන්න වෙන්නේ. දැන් මේ මං කරන විදිය බලන්න. Then what is the value from motion? So just move down, put a palette move in, and from that please select then X position. You have to check the X position. Whether X position is less than this, and you have to reset. Okay, reset. Actually go again, move up. How to reset? උඩට ගිහිල්ලා ආපහු මේකෙන් scroll up කරන්න. එතන තියෙනවනේ X and Y position. You can bring that to the if, into the if. Okay, now what? Now x should be 0, y should be 0, right? That is the resetting. X is 0, y is 0, and that is the resetting part. Okay, now right click on this and take a duplicate. මේ එර එකම නම් ආයෙ කාටවත් තියෙන්න බෑ. දැන් මම මේක කියලා දෙන තුන්වෙනි පාර. Take a duplicate. Now change the values to X to 480, this to 0, and this to 480 again. 480. This is not 480, this is 18. 480. 480. And here also 480. $480. Okay, now play it. I think now backgrounds are moving smoothly. But I think now it's okay, right? Is it working or not working?
Sir, cat is not going.
No, it's not a problem of cat putty. So can you just see what's here in the cat? Click on. When it hit the purple color, it stops. Right before that, you have to jump. ඒකට කලින් ඔයා උඩ පනින්න ඕන.
Sir, sprite 2 වල මොකද්ද තියෙන්නේ?
Sprite 2 here. Sprite 2 වලට යන්න. Just go to the sprite 2. Can you see the code again? Okay. Right. The problem is not cat is moving. Only thing is when it hit the purple color, it stops. You have to reset. Click the flag again. Reset it. Flag එක click කරලා reset කරන්න. මේ ෆ්ලැග් එක උඩ තියෙන ෆ්ලැග් එක රීසෙට් කරන්න ඒකල උඩ පනින්න ඕන මේ කැට් ඉතින් දම් පාටයකට එන්න කලින් ඔයා උඩ පනින්න. එහෙම නැත්නම් දැන් උඩ පැනලා වැඩක් නැහැ. වාගෙත් තියෙන ටයිමින් ඉෂුව එකක් අර ගේම් එක පටන් ගන්නකොටම කණුවෙන් එහා පැත්තට පැන ගන්න ඕන. නැත්නම් ඔයා කණුවේ හැප්පුණ හැටිය නවතින. ෆ්ලැග් එක ක්ලික් කරනකොටම අප් ඇරෝ එකක් ප්‍රෙස් කරන්න. හරි ඔය යන්නේ. තේරුණානේ නේ? නිකන් උඩ පනින්න එපා අර කණුවක් උඩට වැටේ ඊට පස්සේ. මං කිව්වනවට. right. Okay. Venita, can share now. Quickly do this.
සර් මම ෆෝන් එකෙන් ඇවිත් ඉන්නේ කරන්න කම්පියුටර් එකෙන් මේ
කම්පියුටර් එකෙන් කො හරි ඔයා පුතේ කෝඩ්ස් බලලා try එකක් දෙන්න. එහෙම බලන්න අමාරුයි. ඒක පේන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ පේන්නේ නැහැ. මට ඔයාලට පේනවා කියන එක පෙන්නන එක පේනවා. මට කෝඩ්ස් අර බ්ලර් වෙනවා ආයෙ පේනවා බ්ලර් වෙනවා ආයෙ පේනවා. ස්පීඩ් එක අනුවනේ පේන්නේ. okay hari mehema karanna mama wata codes tika evanna. So I'll do something. So I'll send the code, right? So you can just observe my code, right? I think that will be easier. Yes, I can see some codes for sure. I can see some codes, but the thing is like okay, I have sent the code. You can just see that code, right? Compare with that code. I just send the code.
Excuse me, sir, can you help me with the last sprite that we duplicated?
These are the values. Can you see? 480 minus 2.
On my one, with the before ones, they are together.
Okay, can you share? Quickly share. Both are moving together. So maybe you have changed the code for both. That's the reason. This should be 480. Metana kiyada 480 ne metana 480 dala nane. Ekane. Metana 0 wenno. Ekath man kiyapu ara prashnema thama. You are not listening. Now see. Click the flag and see. වෙලාවට කැට්ට කෝඩ් එක ලියලා නැහැ. කැට් ඔය යන විදියට මට තේරෙන්නේ අර කණුවේ වැදිලා සෑහෙන ඇක්සිඩන්ට් වෙනවා. ලිව්වේ නැහැ නේද මේ පාර්ට් එක? You have to write the code for cat, right? To stop. Go to the cat. Go to the cat. So still you are writing that, right? Okay. After writing your code, so it will be very difficult to play, right? So anyway, so if you're disconnected from this one, you can reconnect. So I'm going to add some innovative code for the next part, right? If you disconnect from this, please reconnect, and then I'll teach you how to add. So I'm going to add another obstacle. Mage me purple color එකට විතරයි cat නවතින්නේ.
Can you show the cats all